Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Your new ride is just a phone call away.